all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece.
Yo, what's good, guys? We're on our way to the Glendale Galleria Americana to grab his new laptop, and he will be giving me his hand-me-down.
It's an M1 MacBook.
Yes.
I'm getting an M2. Slight upgrade.
Well, it's my first laptop, so I'm super excited to get this going because, yes, I have been an iPad girl pretty much my whole art career, so it's time for a freaking computer, guys. I mean,
so
come on.
she can edit her new YouTube videos.
Woo!
Yes, go
and my
follow
website and everything.
And subscribe, or I guess it's the same thing, but like and subscribe
on YouTube.
Daisy Carleen.
Daisy Carleen, porfa. I would appreciate y'all. Thank you. But yeah, super excited to see all the new stuff we're gonna come out this year. So come check it out. Hey guys, what is up? We're here at the Americana in Glendale to see what's Gucci. But first we wanted to check out what other stores had before picking up our laptop. It was such a beautiful day. And the Apple store actually had some really cool stuff in stock, like this cool wristband. But particularly we just went in to pick up our laptop. We did get a little hungry after all the walking we did, so we stopped by Nona's to get some of these empanadas, which were so good. Highly recommend.
Yo, just got a package from Slipper Club. A little 2-pack. I'm pretty excited. They just randomly hit us on Instagram and was like, yo, we want to send you some stuff. Can you just make some content around it? We was like, yeah, bet. So we got like 2 of them. Let me see if I can get this thing out with one hand. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is the first one. It's like super oversized orange juice. It's super cool. I'm gonna put their like links and Instagrams down and the link below. But this should be cool description. These are not ones. These are the milk ones. Yeah. So this is really cool. It's gonna be some fun shoes to just style and just make videos around. It should be cool. Maybe something to just walk around the crib too. But yeah, thank you, Slipper Club. We appreciate you. All right, decided to just open it. But yeah, these are massive. They're like basically one size fits all. It's like 6 to like 13, I think, or 12, something like that. But yeah, these are clean. Appreciate you, Slipper Club.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? Burning grass now, got me bummed out. You so